we've got new grippers from the last time you guys were here, probably in the safety tour. This time we got new grippers, and these grippers are good enough for the Legos to probably have 6 parts, and we're trying to automate station 2, which is right back there. So we're going to use those and assemble those parts in this chassis of the car using the fixture, and then take it to the camera. You know, you guys don't have to worry about the camera right now. So I'm going to go ahead and run the program, and these videos probably will be posted to probably YouTube, and I'll be sending you the links. So probably you might expect like 3 to 4 videos with a running time of probably max of each video wouldn't cross more than 10 minutes. So I have Yamu here doing the camera work, and I think he's doing a great job of that. So I'm going to go ahead, and I've already pre-programmed this the setup that I have, and then I'm going to go ahead and run it for you guys. Just make sure that I'm going to make sure it runs at a low speed so that you guys can, you know, watch it. And also, this is the speed which is minimum for the robot. It's like probably 10 millimeters per second, as I told you during your safety tour. And in industry, it's probably going to be running a little more faster to increase throughput. So as you can see, I'm going to make Yamu get the video for all these parts, make sure he gets it on camera. I'm going to run it. So that's also one of the reasons why I want this to be in slow speed. All right. So in the further videos that we're going to make, I'll be telling you how we can get to where we are right now. So this is just an overview. So this is what this lab is all about. So let me go ahead and get started. As you can see now, the grippers is made from I think it's the type of manufacturing is fused deposition modeling and rapid prototyping. We had a person from Wisconsin, Mr. David Fly, help us with that, and as you can see, it's picking up parts of different sizes and different colors, and it's going to assemble it in the chassis. So we start with the red ones, which is pretty small, and then move with the sequence of this is really important, and you guys will realize that once you get familiar, because there might be interference of the robot gripper with the parts that you put in. So that's why we have to follow the sequence where we start with the red ones and then move to the gray ones, and then finally to the you know, the blue parts. So depending on the sequence which is in there, it might not exactly be the way you put the parts in, but this is the effective way when you try to do automation of a station. So you might have to change the sequence a little bit to suit the robot and maybe the others, the other factors that go with it. So we have a total of 6 parts, and now it's just putting the parts, the gray, the final gray part, and then now it's going to go with the blue ones. And as I said during the safety tour, it's always important that you guys have your e-stop handy, because sometimes things can go wrong, and it's always better to have your e-stop with you. And, you know, the pendant which I was talking about, it's better to have it in your hand when even the program's running. So just make sure you guys enforce that when you're in the lab to your team members. Of course, I'll be there and Yamu will be there, but it's important that you guys know it. So there it goes, the final part that's going to go in the part of the car, and then we're trying to go ahead and lift it up and take it to the camera. So that's a vision system right there. It's going to check for parts, and we can talk about that later. As of now, this is what your lab is all about, and in the future videos I'll be telling you how you program it, how to teach locations, and how you move about and go and do different operations using this robot. make sure you get your email with your homework problem, where you just write I'll give you a simple robotic problem where you have to solve that, and then each one has got to do their own. So make sure you guys don't, discuss that. It's going to be your own program. It's going to have partial grades on it, and then the rest of the grades would be when you guys come in here. So what I would suggest is watch the videos. If you have any questions about what you need to do, just give me shoot me an email or ask Yamu about it. And if you guys want to meet, you can probably schedule an appointment, and then we can do that. So I think you got a sense of what you need to do in this lab, and I'd be briefing you guys in detail in future of what we need to do, the other videos that come in. So I think as far as overview goes,